So in this lesson, we'll search for free images. So let's go, and I have resources here that I will add here. The first one, right click and download it here. And this image is downloaded. So you go to the second one, which is this one. No, these two, I have an alternative image for it, which is this one. I will include it in the project file. I will include this picture in the project file. So the last one, let's click on this and download it. Okay, so now we have all the three pictures here. Let me see, where are the pictures? Okay, this is the first one. This is the first one, the second one. Let me copy it to the folder. Okay, so you have all the three pictures here. So let's go and see how the animation is done. So see you in the next lesson.